Okay, so ang i-di-discuss natin dito ay isa sa mga principles of international law, which is the lex nationali. So, ano nga ba ibig sabihin nito? Aalamin po natin 'yan. So, do'n muna tayo sa definition. So, accordingly, when we say lex nationali, it refers to the principle wherein the status and capacity of an individual are generally governed by the law of his nationality. That's the reason why it is also known as nationality theory. Now, to better appreciate this principle, ganito lang yan eh. Tayo bilang mga Pilipino, magpunta man tayo sa ibang bansa or saan mang panig ng mundo, yung capacity natin to enter into some contracts shall be governed by our laws, the Philippine law. So, ganun lang din, no? Yung mga foreigner po, pag nagpunta rito sa bansa natin, yung capacity nila to enter into some contract shall be governed by their nationality, by their citizenship. So kung ano yung batas po nila, yun yung masusunod para malaman natin kung may capacity ba sila to enter into some contracts. So yan ang nationality theory or the lex nationali. Now, pagdating sa atin bilang mga Pilipino, ano ba yung batas na sinusunod natin? So meron tayo ditong sinight, no, yung Article 15, then yung Article 16, second paragraph. Now, it's up to you to read. Nandiyan naman po yan. Now, to better appreciate this concept, nagbigay po ako sa inyo ng simple illustration lang. Then, subukan po natin sagutan later on. So, ganito yan, no? Sisimplify ko ho sa inyo. Meron dalawang minor, 17 years of age, pareha sila Pilipino, nagpunta sila sa Canada at doon sila nagpakasal. Do'n kasi sa Canada, ang minimum age of marriage is 16. Now the question is, decide whether their marriage can be recognized here in the Philippines. So, focus kayo sa question. Nakalagay dito, mare-recognize ba yung kasal nila dito sa Pilipinas? Valid yun doon sa Canada. Pero, mare-recognize ba yan dito sa Pilipinas? So, think of your answer. I will give you time for 10 seconds. Timer starts now. So now, time is up. Tingnan po natin ang suggested answer. The answer must be, no, it cannot be recognized here in the Philippines. Although such marriage is in accordance with the law of Canada, the Lex Loci Celebrationis, saka ako na lang didiscuss yan, separate video na lang po yan, it will not be recognized as valid here in the Philippines, which follows the Lex Nationali. So yun kasi sinusunod natin dito eh. Given that Article 15 of the Philippine Civil Code states that Filipino citizens are bound by laws on status, condition, and legal capacity. It is Philippine law that sets 18 as the minimum age of marriage. So now, balikan natin yung scenario, 17 years of age sila. Sa Canada, valid na yun eh, kasi 16 lang kailangan. Kaya lang, dahil mga Pilipino ho sila, ang masusunod doon, yung batas natin. Eh, dito sa batas natin, ang kailangan 18 years of age sila. So, valid sa Canada, pero hindi yan mare-recognize dito sa Pilipinas. So, yan ang lex nationali.